All right, yeah, welcome to this short video tutorial. And in this video, I want to quickly show you how you can actually turn your Facebook profile page to become a, a business page like this. Yeah, to change it to professional mode. Yeah, actually, many don't know this. So I'm here to show you in a simple step by step to change your profile to this. So now let's go there. I'll be using my second Facebook account because I don't want to go back to the normal page of Facebook. So I want to use the second account. All right, yeah, this is my second Facebook profile account, Facebook profile. So now to change this to page to business page. Now as you can see, this already is just a normal profile page. Now this is the normal mode. So and we want to change it to the professional mode now, and this is where you are going to come. Just click on these three dots over here. So when you click on that three dot, now let's see where it's going to take us. I'm clicking that right away, and this is where it's going to take you to profile setting. And when it comes to profile setting, the next thing to click is this place, this turn on professional mode. This will allow you to have access to so many tools. Now when you have access to all these tools, you have access to so many settings, and where you can actually turn your profile to professional mode. You know, this is the kind of settings so many content creators are actually using, like those skit makers, like video skit makers. So most of them are actually using it, and why some are using direct creating direct page. So let's go there by clicking that, and let's see. Now you can see turn on professional mode, add new tools to your profile. You can see that add new tools to your profile, get paid for your content. This is where you're going to set how to be getting paid on Facebook. See content insight. You'll be seeing the insight of your content, you know, how people are performing on your content and everything like that. So now the next thing is to click on turn on. So let's click on turn on. Let's delete this. This is where you're going to click on turn on, and it will be on automatically. Now it's loading now. So let's see what it's going to show, and I'll show you right. You can see this it's a welcome to professional dashboard shadow color to get started on your goal by completing levels of guided steps, or explore tools, feature and insight on your own. So you can do this on your own. So this is how to turn to professional mode, as you can see. So you can see this is where you are going to be seeing those people that engage, people you have reached, new net follower, then 3 second video view. This is where how many seconds video view of people, and this is where you are going to see all those information, and you know how you are moving gradually. And this is where you check your level, you see all the levels as you are going on Facebook. So now this is how it's going to look like after turning on the professional mode, and as you can see, this is how it's going to look like to people that are visiting your page. And once they come to your page, and this is what it's going to, I mean, to your profile, this is how it's going to look like. You know, it's really beautiful like this. So go ahead and implement and follow the step by step. If you don't understand the video, you can watch it again and again to understand better. And feel free to comment on this video if you have any correction, and don't forget to share this with others so that it can go viral to other people that want to learn how to turn their profile to page. All right, if you love this video, thank you for watching, and kindly share with others so it can be of benefit to other people. Thank you, and see you in my next video tutorial.